Hi guys, welcome back to Weremouse Workshop. This evening we're going to be putting this Vitcast ceramic fibre blanket into the top of the Foundry. So the actual lid of it, I've managed to get it welded on, bolted on as well, and I've put the same mix in the top as I did in the bottom with the segments. That's just about gone off now, set hard. So what I'm going to do is line it out with this now. Those are for the tops. I've pre-cut these, so I need to cut it with a mask on because this is potentially carcinogenic, and it'll all become apparent. I've got some spray to put on it, so I'll be putting a mask on, spraying and fitting this, and then this will go cover the whole thing. Once the spray chemical is hardened, I'll cut the sensor out, but I'll leave that for another video when we get a bit more on with it. So yeah, I'll crack on. I'm going to put a mask on so I won't be saying anything, you lucky people. This should only be a quick vid. So yeah, I'll go silent for a bit. I'll get my mask on as I start moving this about. Anybody in the trade recommend these masks, the JSP's press to check filters. P3's absolutely brilliant, a bit restricting, and anybody who's in the trade will be saying you can't wear one of them because you've got a beard. Well, to me, I'm wearing one for this, because it's as tight as hell and it seals up. I've also got extraction going in my workshop as well. If you can hear that, I forgot to explain to you, this comes as a spongy blanket in a roll, small roll. It does compress, but I wouldn't recommend it. So what you need, it's Kaowool is this, an inch thick. So then you need, it's all back to front, but it's ceramic blanket ridgidizer. And this makes it go hard, so it stays in one piece and stays together. Otherwise it would deteriorate and it will blow fibres out of the furnace. So crack on. Right, so we've got it laid in. That is the ridgidizer so that will go hard over the next couple of days, well roughly about 24 hours. This has already been treated, so it's a lot less resistant to, a lot more resistant, sorry, to touching it like that, and it keeps all the fibres together. So once that is set, I've cut that hole out and rigidised all the inside of the chimney area, as it were, the vent. I then will be going for the Vicas refractory cement. I think it's about 35 quid a tub. Powder, mix it up, line all this out, because this will deteriorate. Apparently it will deteriorate over a period of time with the amount of heat going through it. So we need the refractory cement on top of that. Same on the lid there. We'll see how that goes. Like I've said before, this is an experiment. Quite looking forward to get it up and running though. I'm undecided at this moment. I think I might take this top layer off here, about an inch or so down, and put some refractory on there. I'm undecided at the moment. I'll research it a bit more, but so far I'll see. Don't think there's any more to report on that. I need to get the handle on, the hole in for the burner, but I have got wheels on it, so it's mobile now, so I can move it around my workshop. Hopefully get a bit more done on it. It's got to be sprayed with the heat resistant paint, but yeah, well, not far off at all. What I will do with this though is give it a test burn once it's up and running, just in case there's any moisture. If the keen ones with a keen eye, sorry, see there's a gap on this side. What I don't want to do, although it's been in a dry workshop, if there's any moisture trapped and the heat obviously gets through, I don't want to trap it in, so I don't want to seal all these holes just up yet. So I'll do a test burn, leave it running for an hour or so on a lower heat, make sure everything's dry, and then once I know that, we'll hopefully seal all these holes up, these vents here, and then we'll let it dry off and then go for a big burn. Can't wait to get it up and running. Anyway, rambled on enough. Cheers for watching, guys. If you like what you see, subscribe, hit the like button, tell your friends. Cheers, catch you later.